Hi, welcome to the current economics event for the 13th of February. We will be looking at the economic events for the last 24 hours. The market sentiment has been improving after a slow start at the beginning of the week. The factor responsible for the positive sentiment is most likely the trade meeting between the US and China, more specifically the hope for a positive outcome from the meeting. The US President Donald Trump said on Tuesday that he will let the 1st of March deadline for increasing tariffs on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods slide for a little while. For the deadline to be extended is to be expected, because 3 months period is too short for the two countries to reach an agreement. In addition, President Trump seems to be increasingly supportive for the tentative plan for the funding of the border security proposed by the US Congress. This might lead to the approval of the legislation and thus avoiding another government shutdown. The job openings and labor turnover survey in the US rose and reached an all-time high of 7.335 million in December 2018. In addition to the past numbers got revised upward. The positive trend through 2018 is thus still intact, and shows that companies are having difficulty finding skilled laborers, a sign of a tightening in the labor market. The positive trend of the survey numbers is indicating a rise in hourly earnings and in inflation rate. And that's it for this video. Check the video description for other information. Thank you for watching.